First, open your browser. Open your Google spreadsheet, then head over to the link shown in the video. I've also left the link in the description. Scroll down and download the zip file. Once it's finished downloading, open the zip and move the extracted folder wherever you want to keep it. Now, open Chrome and click the extensions icon in the top corner of your browser. Select Manage Extensions, click Load Unpacked. Choose the folder you just extracted. If you don't see the Load Unpacked button, you're going to want to enable Developer Mode. There should be a toggle in the right corner of your screen. Finally, head back to your spreadsheet, click the extension icon. Go ahead and hit the Fetch and Export button, and you're all set.